Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install TradingView app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are trying to install this app, but in one way or another you can't, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you need to make sure that you're trying to install this app while logged into your account on Google Play Store. So you can see my email is here. However, if you are not able to install while logged in, then tap on your profile icon and scroll down to settings. From settings, go to this option, network preferences, tap on it to open, and then look for this option, app download preference. Here, you can see it is currently set to over Wi-Fi only. Change this to over any network. This will ensure you can download or install this app via any network that you are currently connected to. At this point, save these changes by tapping on OK. And now go ahead, try to install your app by searching it. However, if you are still unable to install the app, then it means that the problem might be with the Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store by accessing its app info page. To do that, go to Google Play Store app and long press on it to access app info. Depending on your smartphone version, you might be missing this. You should see a settings gear next to it or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. You can also access this app info page through normal settings option. At this point, first we want to force stop of this app by tapping on it like this and OK. And then we need to clear the app cache data by tapping on clear data and then choose clear cache and OK. At this point now, restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, now open it and go search for your app. So I'll open and then search for TradingView as one word, and then I'll run the search. And here we go. I'll tap on it and then install the app. Now let's wait and see if we can install, and look at that. Now I'm able to install TradingView app. However, if you still have any challenge, then it might be that you don't have enough free space on your phone. For that, you need to clear space by deleting unnecessary files such as images or videos that you no longer need, as well as apps. Clear your trash on your phone and then try to install your app. So that's how you can fix can't install TradingView app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.